Hey everybody, it's Charlie Foster at John Sinclair Nissan, and check it out. You're looking at a 2012 Lincoln MKX. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. Look at the styling. Lincoln. Look at the beautiful wheels. Look at those tires and wheels. What a beautiful, beautiful tire. Chrome door handles, leather interior, heated seats. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Seats look brand new. Look at that. It also has the side blind spot mirrors in it. Coming around to the back seat, whoops. Sorry about that. Plenty of room in the back seat. And it also has heated seats in the back. Power lift gate. Lots of room, lots of cargo space back here. Those seats fold down too. Watch this. Look at that. Boom! Seats fold down. You got plenty of room. If you go out shopping, go out somewhere and buy a big screen TV. I need a big screen TV. Look at this. Hey, let me tell you something. Come down to John Sinclair Nissan. Check this thing out. I think you're going to really love it. This is Charlie Foster. Give me a call, 573-380-3700. I'll talk to you later.